Today, we have some intriguing news about Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 and its accessory lineup. It looks like Apple is planning to introduce a new line of cases to replace the controversial fine-woven cases. So let's dive into what we know so far about these new leather cases and what they might mean for iPhone users. First, let's talk about the fine-woven cases that Apple introduced. These cases were marketed as a replacement for traditional leather, but they didn't quite hit the mark with consumers. Users reported that while the fine-woven cases felt nice to the touch, they had some significant drawbacks. Many found that they scratched easily, didn't resist staining, and had a tendency to snag on pockets. As a result, the response was less than favorable. Now it seems Apple is ready to make a change. According to a well-known leaker, Majin Buu, Apple is planning to replace the fine-woven lineup with new cases that may be made from a different, unnamed material, possibly even vegan leather. Buu has shared images of these alleged new cases on social media, and they appear to keep the same color palette as the fine-woven line. The colors we can expect include black, blue, dark purple, green, and taupe, with a new light gray option joining the mix. So, if you love the colors from the fine-woven cases, you'll still have those choices available. Boo also posted an image that was initially claimed to show the packaging for these new cases. However, it was a bit of a twist. Who later admitted that the image was actually of existing Chinese knockoff cases. So while we're excited about the new designs, it's essential to take these leaks with a grain of salt. The images do show a variety of cases for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, including colors like maroon and brown, in addition to the previously mentioned shades. This suggests that Apple is aiming to provide a wide range of options for users looking to protect their devices in style. Now let's talk a little bit about the leaker behind this information, Majin Buu. While they have accurately predicted some features in the past, like the camera placement on the iPad, they're known for a mixed track record. Some of their leaks have turned out to be spot on, while others, like the claim that the iPhone 15 would feature two front-facing cameras, fell flat. So while there's a chance that these new cases could be a game changer, we should remain cautious until we get official confirmation from Apple. In conclusion, it looks like Apple is gearing up to replace the fine-woven cases with a new line of leather cases that retain popular color options while potentially offering a better user experience. If these materials live up to the hype, it could be a welcome change for iPhone users who are disappointed with the fine-woven lineup. What do you think about this potential new direction for Apple's cases? Are you excited to see what they have in store? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all the latest updates on the iPhone 16 and its accessories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for more exciting news and leaks as we approach the iPhone 16 launch.